In my other life as a filmmaker, I'm often going from meeting to meeting, or I'm on set, or I'm in prep, and sometimes I'm never quite sure when my next meal is gonna be. So I always have some of these breakfast cookies in my bag for a really quick snack that'll also fill me up and just tastes amazing. So we're gonna take a really, really ripe banana, and we're gonna plop that in, and we're gonna give it a little mushy mash. So to that, we're gonna add maple syrup. It's about a quarter cup, a half a cup of natural peanut butter. You could also use almond butter here if you prefer. If you're making a nut-free version, a sun butter would work as well. You could also get away with tahini. We're just gonna mix that up. It's okay if you get a couple little banana lumps in there, but try your best to smooth it all out. Next, what we've got here is almond flour. You could grind up sunflower seeds and use these instead if you have a nut allergy. We're gonna plop those in. A teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, quarter cup of flaxseed, a cup and about a quarter of rolled oats, a cup of grated zucchini. You could also use carrot if you don't have any zucchini or you just want to try something different. All right, once you start to see everything nicely mixed, we're gonna add our last couple of mix-ins. I like to have some kind of a nut or a seed. So today I'm using pecans. I like a dried fruit. I got cranberries here. You could use raisins, currants, goji berries. And then this is optional. If you want it to be healthier, leave these out, but I'm putting in some chocolate chips. And then we're just gonna stir it up. Nothing is worse than getting a cookie with no chocolate chips on it. So now we're gonna put these onto our pans. I tend to use a 1/3 of a cup measure. I tend to put 4 or 5 cookies on each sheet. This tends to make between 9 and 10. I just wet my hands and I just kind of press them down into some kind of a disc shape. They won't really spread out that much on the pan, but they make a big cookie, so you just want to give them some room to move around, you know? We're gonna put this into an oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven. And then we're gonna rotate the pans halfway through the bake just to make sure that there's an even crispness on all the cookies. There are the breakfast cookies. These are just a great snack to have on you at any time where you just need a quick pick-me-up, or if you're gonna skip a meal, 1 or 2 of these will do wonders for you. These store really, really well in the freezer. Otherwise, they'll keep on the counter for 4 to 5 days. Oh my God, yeah!
Go to pbwithj.ca for these recipes and more. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and click that notification bell.